So Storyboard that is very, very easy to use. So if you go to storyboardthat.com, you can click on create a storyboard to start your story. And I'm just going to go on to another tab where I have already started one. And so it's very easy. You can go to scenes to pick where the backdrop you want. And there's so many options. Work, transportation, but just to in the home, indoor. To continue with this scene, we will just use the same background, and you can click on characters, and again there's a lot of different characters. These are all adults, but you can also pick teens, kids. There's different eras and things that you can also choose if you want to do something like that. Let's just add the same adults I had here. And it's super fun because you can change what their faces look like and how they're standing. So he's sitting here, kneeling here, standing, and change the position of the head, and it's all very easy to use. So we'll just use whatever that is. And then sure, that works. I'm not really sure where I'm going with this story. And you can also change, obviously, all of the colors and stuff. Hair. Yeah, let's just add a kid into here. She seems a little big, so I'm just going to make her be smaller. And then textables is where you can get, you just click and drag and drop the text, like speech bubble you want to use. And you can add whatever you want the person to say. You just click off of it. I'm going to make that smaller as well. And I can also change her expression and make her a little more looking like she's lost. The nice thing is you can also click here and just have an automatic sad. That's not really sad enough looking to me, so I'm going to change it to that. And that's how you use Storyboard that. It's super easy to use, and I think it'll be a fun thing to use in the classroom.